This video is sponsored by Professional Photographers of America.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The end.
It's so fine. Yes, I love that. Yes.
Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a behind the scenes from a beautiful photo shoot I did in sunny and warm Miami. My last beach photo shoot was done over 2 years ago, so I'm so happy to be back on the beach. I also have my amazing friend, photographer and YouTuber Anita Sadowska shooting at the same time with our beautiful model Shania, so if you would like to see what she shot that day, head over to her channel and I will link everyone in the description. When I started shooting, the sun was still pretty high, so I decided to start out in the shade by the rocks.
Maybe you can like sit on one of them somehow, or maybe even lean, or like with the hand. Maybe, you know what about this guy, this big one right here? Yeah, like you can do like one, or you can do both like this, something like that. I don't know if the light will. Okay.
Ooh, I feel the sun on my eyes.
Yeah. What if you move? Yeah. You gotta be just like in this spot. Maybe even more towards like the edge of it. Yeah. Yes, there you go. Yeah, that's beautiful. Love it. Oh, do that. Yes. Do that with both of your hands. Keep doing that with both of your hands, yeah. Exactly, yes. 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 Love it. Beautiful.
We carry on, I rise from the ashes, I heal from your passion, my doubts are gone.
Oh, I love that. Yes. Gorgeous. Oh, I love the splash though. It's perfect.
So you guys might have noticed from the before and after image that I added a little bit of a splash of water here. I really liked the way the water looked in this image, but obviously it's not usable. So I took that bottom part and I spliced it into the image that I liked. Easy fix.
Yes. I love that pose. Yes. Yeah, do that again, kind of like this.
For losing you, for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you.
What if you stand and you give me that like profile, and like you hold on to the rocks or something like that? Yes, exactly. Yes. Oh my God, beautiful.
Don't you feel that too?
Before we move on to the next look, I wanted to thank today's sponsor, Professional Photographers of America. You guys know I love PPA and I have been a member for a while. Recently, I visited Imaging USA for the first time and it was amazing. I got to meet and reconnect with so many industry professionals and meet some of you guys, which was a highlight of my trip. I'm going next year and I'm already super excited about it. If you're not familiar with PPA, here are some of the benefits. Once you join, right off the bat, you get $15,000 worth of equipment insurance included with membership. Along with that, PPA has updated the policy so that you also get full replacement coverage with a flat $350 deductible, or you can repair your equipment with a flat $50 deductible. Any of those two things would cost you more than the price of the membership, and you can pay it monthly. PPA has also data loss prevention services for its photographers. This coverage is designed specifically for photographers and their small businesses with data loss recovery services and even your legal fees if you have an unhappy client. PPA's education platform is a resource that any and every professional photographer needs if they hope to grow personally and professionally. This recently upgraded platform features 900 plus online videos, tutorials, and personalized curriculums on how to grow your own business. It's worth becoming a member. A full replacement equipment insurance policy, plus data loss recovery services, even education, all included in the membership for just $27.92 a month. Check out the link in the description and use my code for a special discount on your membership. So this is where my microphone fell in the water, as you've seen at the beginning clips. Miraculously, it still worked for a majority of the photo shoot, although it was just fully submerged in the water. This second look though was my absolute favorite. I wanted to make it look like she's only wearing the wet cloth over her body. It was inspired by the kind of like Venus emerging from the water classic kind of look.
Wow, it's so angelic. Yes. Oh, this looks so good. Yes, you're doing amazing.
My dreams alive, and where I wanna go with you. Ooh, bye bye love, 'cause you don't know and you don't seem to care that I could have gone with you anywhere. Try to be strong until you get back.
For these pictures, the model kept her bathing suit on so that she can feel more comfortable, and plus we are on the public beach, and then I just took out the bathing suit in Photoshop using some content-aware fill and clone stamping. Also, I almost never edit my pictures in black and white, but these particular images look really good both in color and black and white, so let me know what you think and which one do you like better.
No, you're doing amazing. Yes, I love that, yes.
And you don't seem to care that I could have gone with you anywhere. You're on a mission now. I know you can't get out, but our time is running out. Ooh.
Yes, exactly. What if you like go like this, like very like Venus, and like hold it with your hands, both of your hands. Yes. What if you give me like kind of like this? Yeah. Yes, exactly, yeah. Yes. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, that's so gorgeous. Yes, oh I love that, I love that.
That I could have gone with you anywhere. But my dreams are alive, and where I wanna go with you. Ooh, bye bye love, 'cause you don't know and you don't seem to care that I could have gone with you anywhere.
So here is where my microphone completely died, so there's no more sound, but I'm gonna do the voiceover. And I decided to change the wrap just a little bit and put it over Shania's shoulders to give it just a little bit of a different look.
Just to make me smile, but you don't seem to be around. My body aches for someone who makes me right, but you don't seem to take the time. You're on a mission now, I know you can't get out, and our time is running.
This final look, I decided to shoot on top of the rocks, and we changed into this flowy white nightgown. The sun was going down, so the light was very beautiful and soft, and this time I decided to shoot side light instead of my backlight as usual because I wanted to see the water and the rocks just kind of cascading down to create some interesting leading lines.
Just like fire.
So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Big thanks to PPA for sponsoring yet another video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and I'm gonna have more Miami videos coming very soon, so don't miss out on that, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
I love rocks. Yes! Oh my god. I hope my microphone survives. Yellow.